Hello and welcome back to GW Add-ons. Your data is unique, so your documents should be too. With SmartForm Publisher, you aren't locked into one format. Whether you need the sleek layout of a doc, the data power of a sheet, or the visual flair of a slide, the choice is yours. Let's look at how to select the perfect template for your workflow. Use Google Docs for text-heavy documents like letters and contracts. It's perfect for professional correspondence. Choose Google Sheets when you need to perform calculations or generate complex tables and financial reports. And for certificates, badges, or visual presentations, Google Slides gives you total design freedom. Linking your template is simple. In the SmartForm Publisher sidebar, go to the Template settings and click the folder icon to browse your Google Drive. Select the file you've prepared, and the add-on will instantly connect it to your form. You can change your template at any time with just a few clicks. Remember, for the automation to work, your template must contain markers. These are your form question titles wrapped in double curly brackets. Now that your template is linked, you're ready to start generating documents like a pro. In our next video, we'll dive into advanced file naming and folder organization. Don't miss it. Visit gwaddons.com to supercharge your Google Workspace today.